Hello and welcome to another update video on FET. We are here on the Fetch.AI chart, and I want to start here on the daily time frame. We can see that the overall bullish thesis here remains valid on the FET chart. However, today we see a little bit of downside pressure, and the price has not been able to break and sustain above this 3rd of July high, 2nd of July high, this swing high that formed. We're going to take a look at that on the smaller time frame in a minute, right? But that swing high that formed around 75 cents, there was not a decisive or sustained upside breakout. So yeah, I mean, the idea is that at the moment we are moving up in circle wave C, but we might still be working on this wave 2 pullback, which developed after the price topped there early in July. So we're going to take a look at that in a minute, but overall the idea is still that in wave C to the upside, the price has a chance to get towards $1.55 to $2.94. Yeah, in this C wave rally to the upside. The support area remains relevant, especially here on the daily time frame. It hasn't changed for the last couple of months, and it's between 43.2 cents and 66.2 cents. So this is a very important support area. It is even if we form another low, yeah. So even if we break below the June low, for example, the price could simply test, for example, 43 cents or 51.6 cents, and it wouldn't change really the overall assumption. But please note, it would mean that the apologies, that the B wave is simply extending here a little lower. The formal invalidation point is the swing low from the 7th of April. And what I'd really like to see here is that the bulls step in here and actually drive the price higher, drive the price above 99 cents, and then towards the $1.55 plus area. Now let us also take a look at the shorter time frame for FET. And here you can see we're basically simply ranging right now. Yeah, we're simply ranging, and the microstructures are not the cleanest at the moment. There are a few ways how this entire move could be interpreted. I can track it as a diagonal structure, and there are honestly quite a few ways how I can label that. Could put the 1-2 here, yeah. But then it's likely a diagonal structure. So we have a 1-2 setup and another, the third wave is basically unfolding now. We're working on A, B, C in wave 3, but I could also have the 1-2 here, like that. Yeah, that's also possible. But then, okay, again, this is a 3-wave move up. So we're likely dealing just with some kind of a diagonal structure. But technically speaking, an impulse would also be possible. In that case, we have 5 waves up in white wave 1. And all of this, what we're seeing right now, is part of a wave 2 correction, yeah, with support, local support between 58.7 cents and 66 cents. So it might mean that we go a little lower, but overall the message here is, same like yesterday, as long as we're holding above 58.7 cents, the price can find a direct route higher. Below that level, however, we're likely going to form another lower low below the June low. So yeah, just moving sideways here. Yeah, we've got Fibonacci support here on the chart, and it takes a break above 77.4 cents to indicate that a third wave rally has started. Whether that means the third wave in the diagonal structure in the yellow count or the third wave in the white scenario, we will have to see. But that doesn't matter at the moment. The levels are very, very clearly defined. Next objective for the bulls will be a break above 77.4 cents, followed by a break above this solid green line at 83.5 cents. That's the update on FET. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.